You may think that gas is best when it comes to cooking due to its low operating costs and even consistent heat. But what do you do if your commercial kitchen doesn't have access to gas utilities within your facility? You might be worried that an electric range will be difficult to use and expensive to operate. Well, do not fear because the electric cooking technology of today is nothing like it used to be. Electric induction ranges are the new standard in electric cooking technology. Chefs everywhere are marveling at how quickly these ranges heat up and the even and efficient heat they create. Induction technology utilizes the power of electricity combined with the science of magnetism, creating a cooking surface that heats the pan directly rather than the surface of the range. This means pans heat more quickly, food cooks more rapidly, and the heat in your pan is even and easy to control. Because the pan itself is heated and not the surface of the range, heat goes straight to the food you're cooking and doesn't leak into your kitchen or escape up the exhaust hood. So, not only is an induction range more efficient for cooking, but you will see reduced cooling costs within your kitchen as well. Induction technology also creates a safer and more comfortable kitchen for your employees to work in. Without open flames or scalding hot range surfaces, your employees greatly reduce the risk of injury, all while enjoying the cooler and more comfortable temperatures within your kitchen. Thanks to the efficiency of induction technology, businesses are seeing operating costs that are much closer to that of gas, but with the added benefits that induction cooking provides. So, if you're looking for the best in electric cooking technology, then induction cooking is the solution for you.